In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add baggage to your Expedia flight in just 5 minutes. This simple process can save you time and hassle at the airport, ensuring your travel experience is as smooth as possible. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Expedia Philippines website. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Expedia Philippines. This is your gateway to managing all aspects of your travel plans, so make sure you've got the correct site. Once the page has loaded, you'll see Expedia's homepage with options for booking flights, hotels, car rentals, and more. Next, it's time to sign in. Look for the Sign In button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and a sign-in page will appear, prompting you to enter your login details. Make sure to use the same email and password associated with your booking. If you haven't logged into Expedia before, take a moment to set up your account. This will streamline future bookings too. Once logged in, head over to the My Trips section. This is where you'll find all your active and upcoming reservations neatly organized. Locate this section in the main menu. Clicking on My Trips will display a list of your bookings. This section is a handy feature designed to keep your travel plans easily accessible and manageable all in one place. Now, from the list in My Trips, it's time to select your specific reservation. This could be an upcoming flight or a saved itinerary. Carefully check the details to ensure you're looking at the right trip. Click on the reservation that corresponds to the flight you want to add baggage to. This action will take you to a more detailed view of your travel itinerary. In this itinerary page, look for the option to add bags. This should be prominently displayed, making it easy to enhance your booking with extra luggage. Clicking on Add Bags will guide you through the process of selecting the baggage options that best suit your needs. Whether you need to add another suitcase or upgrade your current allowance, this functionality makes it simple and straightforward. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added baggage to your Expedia flight. Not only does this save time at check-in, but it also provides peace of mind knowing you're all set before your journey begins. Happy travels, and thanks for watching.